Hello everyone, this is AB Creative. I hope you're all good. Today we are making another fantastic feather. It's an incredible technique that literally anyone can try. I'm also going to be giving away some exciting goodies to celebrate 200,000 subscribers, so stick around to find out how to enter. Last year I made an incredibly popular feather tutorial that you all loved, and I thought it's the perfect time to do another one, as you guys have been asking for it so much. So we are going to paint another one, this time on white background. This is my canvas, a longer canvas, so the feather is going to be sort of central, quite a longish feather. The canvas is 20 centimeters by 50. These are the colors we're going to be using today. We have gold, lilac, electric blue, pearl amaranth red, rose, phthalo green, titanium white, deep violet by Dalerani. There's one more thing we have to do. We are going to prepare my special tools. And I've noticed that actually quite a few people have been trying them on Instagram as well. Just regular kitchen towel. So we've got those little paws or little crowns, whatever you wish. I'll prepare a few more just in case. Some wider, some narrower. Okay, so we are ready. This is my regular paint mix. I tried different recipes, but in the end I always come back to the one I like. And with every pouring artist, you kind of choose what works best for you. So what is it? So 1 part of paint to 1 part of water and glue mix. I mix water with PVA glue. That's my pouring medium. I mix it. Then I add to that mixture, I add roughly 30%, 25, I don't really measure, of Floetrol. And if it's too thick, I just spray some water in. This is the consistency. Really runs so nicely off the stick. See here, uninterrupted stream. And a very, very, very small build-up. What time to coat the painting. And for water, I just use just a spray like this. If I think it needs a tiny bit of water, then I'll just add it. What's really, really important that every single one of your paints, every color is mixed the same way. So keep the same consistency. Those techniques that I use, I actually don't need that much paint. Spreading it like icing the cake. Definitely need some more. You can see some air bubbles. I'm going to torch. Now I have to decide where to position the feather and how big I want it to be. Maybe I'll just drag the line first. Okay, so now since I've got this, I am going to start layering my colors in the middle. Let me start with perhaps blue. I've got this little bottle with a nozzle, so maybe... Oh! It's dripping because I put it upside down. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just start again. I think I've changed the shape slightly. Okay, so the middle part will be blue. Now you can see the selection of all the paints in very weird containers. Most of them are either yogurt jars or lids from various cosmetic products that I reuse. So what I've decided, I'm going to add 1 drop of silicone. In this case, it's coconut hair serum, to some of the colors, because I want to create some cells just for fun. So let me do that. I'm going to add a drop to gold to this mix. Okay, I think that's enough. So 3 colors with silicone, all the rest without. If you add silicone now, when I mix really thoroughly, my cells will be smaller. If you don't mix much, you'll get bigger cells, but I don't want big cells here. With the metallics, they always seem to be thicker than the rest. So a bit of green. I'm not sure whether to add the colors all along the length of the feather or just some greens here, maybe some purples here. I'm not sure. It's up to you how you spread the colors. It doesn't have to be in one line. Okay, time for some purples. Rose. It's a lovely color. I didn't have to use so many colors, but since I mixed them, why not? Some purple on this side. I'm going to add some darker blue to this part. I almost forgot about the gold. Wow, that looks like a lot. Before I spread the paint with my special tools. I'm just going to use those simple cutouts, and I'm going to spray them with water a bit because I don't want to drag the paint with a dry towel, paper towel. I want it to be moist. Now, before we swipe the feather and make something beautiful, I'm going to tell you about the giveaway. I'm partnering with Arteza to give away a set of paints and canvases to 2 lucky winners so you can get started with pouring. This giveaway is open to absolutely everyone all over the world. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and share it on any of your favorite social media sites. Once you've done the following steps, comment below telling me you've done all the steps and comment your country too. I will announce the winner in 2 weeks' time on the 25th of September, so keep your eyes peeled. The winner must email me at abcreativeofficial@gmail.com. Have fun, guys! Let's get back to the feather now. Let's start. That's so pretty. Wow, lovely colours. I think I'll do the other side now. Just touching it gently. I think I should start with my swiping tool now. It's harder doing it on this side, so I have to come back to that. Nice, love the colors. Okay, so what I'll be doing now, I'm just going to fix the sections I'm not too happy with. I want to create a bit more wispy look. Now I wish you could tell me which color to use in the middle. I'm torn between purple and the rose. What if I do purple and then, well, I can always add rose if I want to. Okay, so dip the chain in here. It's the longest feather I've made so far. It's really long. Okay, that's such a tricky part. Oh, I managed. I think I'm going to leave it to dry and then I'll fix some sections, perhaps. Well, so far, so good. This is the very next day. The feather is almost dry. Can you see the metallics? That's so pretty. I've just noticed that I need to touch up this part here. And yes, once it's dry, you can embellish your feather. You can fix some bits if you want, but I'm just going to do the ending. I don't think it actually requires much. Maybe I'll just go over the midline with some lighter color. My previous feather had the ending more like a leaf, because I was imagining it was a sharpened feather, you know, like the ones they used to write with. But this one, maybe I'll just do a pointed one. But it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, it's a fantasy feather. Which bird do you think the feather belongs to? If you have any idea, can you please write it in the comment? I'm really curious. Or maybe it's an angelic feather. At the moment, I think I'm going to varnish it. I don't think I'm going to use resin on this one. Some final touches on the shaft. And I think I'm pretty happy with the outcome. As I mentioned before, because the canvas is pretty long, I'm going to use varnish instead of resin. And the one I picked for today is Liquitex Gloss Varnish. I think I'm going to end up applying 2 or 3 coats at least. So let's see. The whole trick with applying varnish is you have to be super, super quick and try not to leave any marks. Some people use sponges. For the first layer, I'm just going to use a brush and then I'll see how that dries. And I've got a leftover in the smaller bottle. Okay, now a quick move. So the first coat of varnish is already dry. I'm going to apply a second one, this time not with a brush, but with my plastic tool to avoid all the marks. I think I'm applying a bit more this time. All the rules for the giveaway will be in the description, so please make sure you read carefully. And now let's take a look at the finished piece. I hope you enjoyed the process. It would be really awesome if you could leave your comments under the video. That does help the algorithm a lot. I'm really curious what your thoughts are. I hope you all enjoyed this exciting piece. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and subscribe if you enjoyed. Now, don't forget to join me every Saturday when my new videos premiere, and then we can have a nice chat live. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.